So yo, what's up everyone, this is Moto on Frame. Hope you guys are doing fine. So today I'm vlogging after a while. I think I'm uploading this video after a whole month. The reason for that is Sydney is in total lockdown right now and we cannot go outside with our bikes without any valid reasons. That's the only reason I wasn't uploading anything on my channel. And yeah, today I just woke up and I felt like doing some vlogs. We are not going outside with our bikes and anything like that, but we are doing a unboxing on my new helmet. This helmet is a Ruroc helmet. I don't know if you guys have heard or not, but this is one of the best helmet on the market right now. It is actually a gift for me. My birthday is coming soon and my friend gifted me this helmet. So we are gonna be unboxing this one. I'll just show you how the streets of Sydney is looking right now. Just hold that. So yeah, this is Sydney streets right now. It's pretty darn empty, I guess. Only, you know, essentials and authorized workers are outside, and the weather is pretty shit as well. It's windy and cold. I don't feel like going outside and doing anything. So we will be heading inside. We close the door. So yeah, we will be unboxing our new helmet. So yeah, this is the box. I just had it delivered yesterday, so pretty excited on opening that. I'll be setting up everything on my table and I'll see you guys over there. So this is how you will be getting your Ruroc delivered. It will be shipping from UK and it will take you up to 10 to 14 days to be delivered. The one that I got is a 3.0 liquid carbon. As you guys can see, this is one of the latest model they have launched, and this liquid carbon means it's a full carbon, and I don't know what the liquid means, but it looks pretty darn good. That's why I got these. That's why they gifted me these. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. So I heard that Ruroc does an amazing job on their packaging as well. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think I'll take you guys over here. So yeah, let's come over here. This out first. Holy crap. Alright. Ruroc, I think I took this part out, so oh yeah, just take that out and you will be able to unbox it. So they have a variety of versions, I guess. The first one was 1.0, 2.0, and this one is a 3.0. It was released, I guess, 1st of January, I guess. So you have a manual like thing over here as well. So this is my first time unboxing a Ruroc, so their unboxing is pretty different than other ones. They'll give you stickers, and this is a manual, I guess. Yep, that's a manual. So yeah, they have these foam like things as well. Let's take the helmet off. Let's see what else we have on the box right now. We have a visor. I guess this is a pin lock, I guess. I don't know. So this is what you basically get. You can add visors, you can add shock wig, Bluetooth, things like that. Alright, let's put that down. Let's go to the main. So yeah, this is how you will be getting a Ruroc. I'll just go ahead and take this cover out. Very good set. Alright. This is how the helmet looks. Full on carbon, it has a glossy look as well. That's why it is called liquid carbon. So this is the front. This is how the side looks, and this is the back. So I'll be doing a first impression right now. So the looks that you get on this helmet is totally out of this world. So I've never seen helmets looking this good. But the down part is this padding. I've straightly realized that this padding is not that good. The price you pay, this padding is not so good. But yeah, anything else, the vents are good, the pin lock looks good, the visor looks pretty slick. You don't have any, open parts or something like that. So I'll just go ahead and take this out right now. So right now, this is the clear visor. I will be getting a Iridium one as well. We have a shockwave compartment. If you guys don't know that, this is a part where you can add a integrated Bluetooth. They have already designed it. You need to pay $250 and you can have your Bluetooth over here. So what that means is you don't need a external Bluetooth. So you just buy that and you can talk to your friends, you can communicate, you can go, listen to songs and everything like that. So yeah, this is the helmet, and the other thing I missed is the strap lock, right? The coolest thing that I like from Ruroc is they make this magnetic straps. So that's locked. You just pull this weird strap and that's out. And the other thing is you also have these emergency strap pull. So if you ever fall down or something like that, yeah, you just need to pull these straps out and all the paddings will be out. So yeah guys, that's the helmet. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I will be getting some Iridium visor for these. I think I'll be getting a silver one or a red one for that. I think it suits my suit and my bike better. So yeah, this is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe. Whatever you do will be highly appreciated. And this is Webmoto logging off. Mad love and peace out.